Navigating through the self-publishing industry on your own can be very overwhelming and discouraging. We are here to help. Start your membership with Authors in Business Co. when you click the link, a place where authors and business connect. So which self-publishing platform is best for you? By the end of this video, you will know. Draft to Digital is an excellent self-publishing platform for those of you who are only interested in publishing an ebook. The reason being is because they format your ebook for you for free. However, they only offer up to 60% royalty for your ebooks that sell online through their platforms. Bookbaby. Bookbaby, you're able to also self-publish your ebooks and also a paperback book. They offer 100% royalties for your ebooks and up to 10 to 30% royalties for your paperback books. Lulu is another platform that I really enjoy sharing with a lot of my clients and customers just like yourself. However, they offer 20% royalty when it comes to self-publishing your books. But they do distribute to platforms such as Apple with iBooks store, also with Kobo, retailers too as well, Amazon and Barnes & Nobles. This is especially good for those of you guys who don't have a Mac device in order to publish your books on Apple. So you can definitely utilize Lulu to get your book distributed on those platforms. Now, Smashwords is very popular for those who publish their ebooks only, okay? Just strictly ebooks. And they offer up to 40% royalties for self-published authors. Ingram Spark is what I recommend for those of you guys who are looking to tap into the publishing industry and publish books for other individuals. However, there is a setup fee depending on how many books you want to publish with that platform. However, they have a large channel for distribution around the world. So the setup fee ranges anywhere between $49 and up. However, you do render up to 60% royalty on your books. Also, if you're looking to publish your book in different formats other than ebooks and paperback, you can also publish a hardback book too as well. Now, Kobo is very similar to Kindle with Amazon. However, they do have partnerships with a lot of ebook retailers. They offer 45 to 70% royalties when you publish with them. Barnes & Noble's Press, it was formerly known as Nook Press, but Barnes & Noble's Press is another self-publishing platform too as well. They offer up to 40 to 60% royalty on your published books on their platform. Which you can definitely publish an ebook, a paperback, and also a hardback book. But the only distribution they have is only on their online site and on their physical locations in their stores. So if you're looking for an easier way to get into the Barnes & Noble store, you definitely want to upload your books on Barnes & Noble's Press. Remember, they have a program where you sell a certain number of copies within the first year of you publishing that they will automatically put your books on the shelves in the Barnes & Noble store. However, it's only exclusively on their online platforms and at their physical locations. iBooks, which is associated with Apple, the Apple company, you could definitely self-publish your books on their platform too as well. However, you will have to go through iConnect.com and they offer a flat rate 70% royalty. The only way you can do it, you can't upload your book with iBooks from a PC computer. However, if you have a Mac device, or maybe you can borrow somebody else's, you can definitely upload your book with iBooks at 70% royalty. Amazon dominates 80% of the ebook sales market, okay? So you definitely want to utilize KDP, which is called Kindle Direct Publishing, to self-publish your book too as well. They offer up to 30 to 70% royalty on your ebooks and paperback books. However, those are the only formats that you can definitely publish with KDP with the Amazon company. They do distribute your book in 12 countries, so you definitely have a win-win situation there when you self-publish your book with Amazon too as well in all of the markets around the world. So which self-publishing platform is the best? Personally, I say all of them. Never put all of your eggs in one basket. You could definitely extend your market or expand your territory when you have your books made available on so many other platforms and not just one sole platform, unless you sign a contract with either of these platforms with exclusivity. I am Desiree Lee with Authors in Business Co.